What is the term for the amount of matter in an object? Mass. Which vitamin is produced by the body when exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which gas is necessary for combustion? Oxygen. Which simple machine uses a circular frame and rope to lift objects? Pulley. What causes tides on Earth? Moon's gravity. What acid is found in your stomach? Hydrochloric acid. What is a male honeybee called? Drone. Which one of the following is not a breed of dog? American bobtail. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Kangaroo rat. Which of the following contributes most to global warming? Burning fossil fuels.